Hey guys, what's going on? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and I got another quick video for you. Today I'm going to show you how to get the best .mp4 4K render settings in Vegas. I primarily like to render my videos in MP4, so here's the best settings I use. If you go to File, Render As, go down to Sony XAVC and XAVCS. Now you're going to see a few options here, and you can actually only choose one of them. If you click the first one, you'll see that it wants to render in .mxf, which is okay to render in, but it's not MP4. It's actually a really proprietary file type used to just share projects between different workstations. So if you go down to XAVCS, you'll see the file that you want to use. Click on it, choose Customize Template. You can't change anything there. Make sure your project's in 4K. Make sure your frame rate is what you want it to be, which is usually what your source is. Go to Audio, keep your bit depth at 16 and your channels at 2. Project, video rendering quality, best. And that's it. Those are the best settings you could possibly have to render a 4K .mp4 video. I use this one all the time and it's fantastic. It looks great, especially using DSLR footage. Hey everyone, thanks for watching that video. If that helped you out at all or if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.